line to able to score the ball. And that's what exactly Ian Larios did. 2-0. Soban having the first blood on the second set. Rodrigo, underneath that ball. St. Joseph kept pace and is still scoreless in the second set. The ball is still high, but no one's there to cover that spot. First here. Just the net won by... Nice adjustment by the open spiker. Hello. Andrews using it's too tight to the net. Manay. All is still alive. Lead down to 1, 4-3 in favor of Santa. Ethan against the two-man wall. Still not enough.
And dami pa ng party kanina, may halong party pa.
Everybody decide.
Service by Donna.
Everybody decide.
Andrew, Kumanay, not over. No one is there to get that ball. Nice targeting, number 9. Substitution. Number 9 out, number 5, Jorge in. Aduke Agansana. Service is good. Andrew, using Ian. But Ken is there. Oh! Over a touch caught by our first referee, Mr. Igor Garcia, international referee. Second referee, Mr. Leo Marata, national referee. What a powerful spike there given by the number 1. Jersey number 1 only, not number 1. Nice receive by Donna. Andrew, just playing on himself, not doing any seriousness in this game. Oh, see that? Another rotation error. They're just playing. They're not taking it seriously. Stepping on the line. You know what, partner? Pag nagsisert talaga, dapat talaga na matingin ka sa line. Kasi when you step on it, it's an automatic violation. Kendra, a very prominent lefty wing spiker of Barangay. But Andrew with the stare down. All 8. Another missed opportunity for Zone 5. They're throwing the ball.
Schedule nila pag
CJ Catino doing the same thing. Back-to-back error for the both team. Score all 9. Michael, good service this time. With a good receive also. Andrew, just the net. Wala. Another substitution. Grace Mambitain. Baleas. Andrew, one-on-one against Balayo. Now St. Joseph Phase 1 is taking the lead. But another expensive error committed by the number 6. And because of that, Rivas with a good serve. Miscommunication to the part of Phase 1. Alaya having it on his mind. Hendra. Too much angle on that attack. Adjusting to the very wide set of Balayo. So Clyde taking the lead back. Chance ball for them. Let's see what they're gonna do. Balaya adjusting. Balaya choosing Ken this time. Against Andrew. Well there. 13-11. Wrapping the ball. It's okay, baby boy. (15-11). Soundcloud with a 4-point lead. Kendra, another wide set. Michael. Andrew still scoring even with a 2-man back. 16-11.
Stop.
There's a change of position. Another good serve and number 1. 17-11. Soultime is getting pulled away in this set. And still have the hopes to still get this set.
Candy, bigay ni Tita.
Balayo. Ian is still steady on his defense. Oh, this time able to score in that area. They stop the leading. 17-12.
Body decide.
Nice target there, but it was too close to the line. It went outside. (8-12). Manaya, blessing. Wow. Almost a good save, but the first referee caught that ball, touched the floor first.
Ano yun dyan?
18-13. Base 1 is still alive on this set. It's still anybody's ball game.
Thank you.
Ian, nice work by camera. Another chance for Ian. Block. Ian again.
Mag-thank you
Third
pa
time
kayo.
around. Still no goal.
Si Wednesday ako.
Oh, very good.
Transport for Pisa. Oh!
Thank you kayo sa kanila.
Latino having second thought and that attack.
Ayun. Dami kayong candy.
Donna with a good serve. Easy over for Soul 5. Michael. Just using just the exact amount of power to get the ball over.
Third set pa.
2014.
Layo ah.
Soul 5 is smelling a good set here. Latino. From the last week. Middle blocker of someone serving. Yeah.
Yeah.
Agad pa sana yung kasa, but there were a good blocker there for pace. One.
Pag-itapon din yung gusto na.
Anay.
Itapon sa plastic.
Steady interception there. Number 1 is underneath that ball. Straight, no, really straight went straight outside. But there were a touch. What a lucky break. 2017. Now it's just 2-point lead for Soul 5. I think they're getting relaxing. Now it's just a 1-point lead. Substitution. Pinasok na nila ang ace player ng Soul 5. Nagpalakpakan sa nag-iisang Takeshi Abiles. All 20. Now the pressure is on. Chance to attack. Phase 1. Good coverage by Manay. Michael will set the ball to Ian. Easy feed by Ken. Now, using the and the pressure is not over. Bago matapos sa laro nito, ang ating face of the night will be announced in just few minutes. So stay tuned. Better reception there, by Rivas. Manay. Now, it's Phase 1 taking the lead.
Layo mo ang ikot kanina eh, no?
22-20.
14-20 kanina.
Kaya nga.
Soul 5 is now rattling. Easy over.
Dance ko ulit oh.
Let's see what Phase 1 will do. Camilo.
Dance ko na naman.
Another free ball. Nice lead by Rivas. Ian. Latino. Long run alert. Easy over for Phase 1. Kendra taking the first ball.
Outside.
Outside.
Gigil lagi.
Too much more than a
Amen,
touch.
touch.
Another expensive error. The point should be supposed to be there. Number 9 is still on the service area. Ian, still can't get that point. Latino, we are full of confidence in that attack. Another chance. But Rivas is regretting that bell. Another wrong rally.
Tapon mo doon.
Angel.
Goal still great. They start the 5-0-1 of phase 1.
Ano yung score?
But Guardians, phase 1 is just 2 points away to take this game. What a very intense match. Anay, service is good. Andrew setting the ball to Michael. I think they saw light on Michael's face today. Scoring back-to-back points for SoFi. 1-22. This is a very close match.
Outside.
Oh!
Si Andrew.
Natapon na naman ang sabaw, mga kaibigan. Match point for phase 1. Let's see if SoFi can still get this point. Because Andrew will rotate to the front if they get this point. Andrew setting the ball to Ian. Ian! One number of phase 1. And he just for SoFi. Andrew is now in the front line.